Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are not doing a makeup tutorial, but instead, I am going to try out some viral TikTok food hacks to see if they are really working. I'm really excited, so let's get right to it. For the first food hack, we are going to make an easy egg sandwich. Come on, let's do it. Here is our finished product. I am going to try this with my husband, Love.
Masarap ba to?
Sana. Kaya nga natin ginagawa yung video na to para malaman kung approved ba yung hacks na to. So, let's have a taste. Medyo may pagka-French toast yung bread kasi nasoak na sa egg.
Try nyo guys, masarap na.
Hindi siya ganun kaganda tingnan, pero... Okay. Next hack! Okay, so for our next hack, we have our extra big pancit canton here. Pero, it's not the sweet and spicy variant. Kasi, nung nag-grocery si Brian, paubusan daw. Tingin ko lahat ng tao, ginagawa ni hack na. Pero yun, let's see kung worth it pa siyang i-try. This is the extra
hot.
Spicy or extra hot variant. So, hindi ko alam kung magiging same ba yung results, but let's see. Pepper. We are going to put cheese base. Medyo kinakabahan ako sa hack na to. Hindi ko alam anong lasa ng cheese base sa pancit canton. Tsaka first time ko rin i-try yung extra big pancit canton.
Sarap ha? Cheesy.
Medyo weird. Pero masarap naman.
Masarap siya guys.
Try nyo to. Pili ko mas okay to kung yung sweet and spicy.
Spicy. Pero okay na rin itong extra hot. Gusto ko siya. Kaso
Try nyo to.
maanghang.
Kaya siguro out of stock yung sweet and spicy sa grocery. Okay. So, approved to guys. You should try this.
Kulang lang ng pandesal guys. Kung nilagay nyo ng pandesal, panalo na.
So, Pinoy. And...
Kape.
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 Kape would be good right now. So, yeah. Approved itong hack na to. So, let's go to our third hack. Tada! Hindi masyadong nag-melt yung chocolate. Actually, hindi siya talaga nag-melt. Let's try.
Todo. Parang kumakain ng Snickers.
Nougat.
Sarap siya.
Easy s'mores.
Pero tingin ko, kung mas nag-melt yung chocolate, mas okay.
Siguro it needs more time in the microwave.
Or pumili kayo ng chocolate na yung madaling mag-melt. Any kind of chocolate. Nagkataon lang na yung Hershey's kasi nabili namin. Masarap siya.
Pero approve ka. For me. Kung nag-crave ka lang ng s'mores. Okay? On to our next hack. Ayan. Let's taste. Para talaga siyang cake. Okay to if you're craving for chocolate cake, lalo na kapag madaling araw or if you can't buy chocolate cake outside, pang-satisfy lang ng cravings.
Cakes. Pag gusto ng cake, pwede. Oreo.
Solo
milk,
serving.
Microwave. Done.
And for our next hack, still with Oreos. When we eat Oreos, we like to dunk it in the milk. Let's put some milk. Look. Milk, please. Let's get an Oreo. Kasi diba, usually when we dunk the Oreo, we dunk it like this. Pero hindi natin madunk yung buong cookie kasi our fingers would get wet as well. You need a fork and an Oreo. Stick the fork into the cream for easy dunking. You can dunk the Oreo easily without getting milk onto your fingers. Let's try. May natirang cream. Siyempre ikaw din. Okay, and now we are down to our last hack. And we only need a bag of chips. Kung hindi nyo naubos yung chips nyo, and you want to seal the bag again, here's what you do. Hold it like this, and the other side. And hold it all the way down. And then you take this flap here and the other side, and turn it inside out. Like this.
Pwede nga.
And ayos naman. Wala. 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 Yeah.
Para na siyang supot ng pandesal. Guys.
But it's effective. See? So, hindi na kukunat yung chips. And you can eat it the next time. Yeah. Approve. So, for our last hack, approve pa rin. So, wala namang naging fail na have for this video. And that is it for our video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. See you again next time. Bye. And that is it for our video. Thank you guys for watching. Bakit ka natatawa? Yun. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.